sound sick, but I promise I'm not. I get allergies. It's just not. It's not. I've been waiting for my chai all morning because I had athletic greens and my lemon water while I was doing my workout. And then I said, you know what, I'll make the chai after because too many liquids. We don't want to water this girly down. It was worth the wait. It's a lesson in life, actually. But I'm impatient, so. Anyway, I don't like looking like an egg. I'm gonna take my hair down. Did that really help? No. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm starting up another vlog. It's Monday. Didn't do my weekly reset yesterday because it was a little depressy. It was not that day for me. So today we're doing the weekly reset. I need to go grocery shopping, deep clean the apartment, plan everything out for the week, get my schoolwork in order. I also want to thank Gymshark for sponsoring today's video. I got a bunch of cute new pieces from them, so I will show you guys later on in the video. Let's start this week off with a Sunday reset on a Monday. Not wearing regular jeans. I'm wearing different jeans. I actually wore this outfit to the bar, but with like heeled booties. Let me show you the outfit really quickly. Today's outfit is a variation of what I wear every single day. So I'm wearing this black long sleeve top that I always wear. I highly recommend you getting these. It comes in a pack of 2. I think you can get different color variations, but I got black and cream. And they also go with my workout set. So if I wanna wear a long sleeve while I'm working out, it's multifunctional. And then these jeans are from White Fox. They're extremely long, so they're really good for going out at night when you wear heels or ankle booties, but I'm just wearing them with sneaky sneaks. I need to get new Air Force Ones because these are so dirty. I've had them for years and nobody likes dirty Air Force Ones. It's just, it's a sin. Oh, but also the jeans have a little butt rip. So I didn't realize that when I wore these out at the bar and people were looking at my ass. I was like, what is wrong with you guys? I'm wearing baggy jeans, can't even see my ass. And then I realized, oh, yeah, ass is out. So anyway, a little bit. I don't care. I'm going to the grocery store. If the moms are mad, I cannot be bothered. I'm trying to get dressed every day and not just wear sweats because I work from home, I do school from home, I do everything from home. So it's really nice and easy to wear sweats, but I'm trying to wear outfits most of the time so that I feel put together. And they also say what helps with ADHD is if you wear your shoes inside, there's something about it that just makes you feel productive when you're wearing shoes and it doesn't like stop your momentum. Because when you take off your shoes, I don't know how to explain that, but if you have ADHD and you understand what I'm saying, you understand what I'm saying. These bad boys will be on all day while I clean the house, but I'm gonna go to the grocery store now and I will see you guys when I get back. One quick thing, my mom recommended me a book. I got this right away because my mom powered through this 400 something page book and she's like, you need to read this because I know you want to go to therapy again. Read it before you go. And I said, say less. Oh my God, I'm allergic to therapy. The universe is telling me to just die and not go to therapy. This book is called Maybe You Should Talk to Someone by Lori Gottlieb, a therapist, her therapist, and our lives revealed. It's in part a guidebook to therapy and just goes in depth talking about therapy, and it's this girl's story of how she had problems and she was like, I'm gonna become a therapist. But I do have 2 other books that I wanna finish first, but I feel like I should finish this because I had a revelation over the weekend. Okay. 2 things. Oh, I talk so much. I had 2 revelations and that's the reason that I got this book. One, I have a lot of inner problems that come out when I drink, and it seems like alcohol is the source of the problems, but it's not. Alcohol is the exacerbator. Is that the word? I don't know. Alcohol exacerbates problems that I have within. I want to be able to drink with my friends without getting angry, sad, or being super reactive because I am a super reactive person. Then, second thing, I was listening to Jay's podcast On Purpose, and he did an episode with Mel Robbins on, I think it was letting go of negative thoughts or changing your thinking. Such a good podcast episode. I'll link it down below for you guys to listen. 2 of the best people. I love them both. Mel was saying something about this information that she found from a doctor, saying how everything that you do, your reactions, your behaviors, they're not really like you. It's everything stemming from your childhood. It's basically your body's response to the things that you went through in childhood, and that's why you have the habits and the behaviors that you do as an adult. I have been thinking for so long, why do I do these things? I feel like this isn't me. I hate this behavior. I hate the way I react to these things. Why? I feel like I can't control it. I don't know why I have this behavior. I feel like it's not me. I think I'm a good person, but when I do things like these behaviors and reactions, I feel like I'm not the person that I am. Also, the other book that I read, How to Do the Work by this holistic holistic psychologist, it was saying that your thoughts are not you. They're just thoughts. Your thoughts trick you all the time into thinking this is who you are. It all stems from what we went through in our childhood, and then as an adult, it transforms into habits, thoughts, actions. It made me feel so much better, and also it's reversible. You can work on this in therapy. I just have never found a good therapist that really helps me, but you guys gave me so many good tips for therapy when I talked about it in one video before. I think your guys' tips coupled with this book is gonna be just so helpful for me to have going into therapy again, because I really wanna take this year for transformation, because I always think I don't really have that many issues, that there's nothing really wrong with me. I had social anxiety in high school. It was so bad, and I worked through it on my own. There's nothing really wrong that I can pinpoint, but clearly there's something wrong inside. Does that make sense? So I really want to take this year for healing and be serious about it and actually take action on it. One of my boy toys actually took an intensive year of therapy to work on himself. And so I was like, if you can do that as a man, I can do that. I'm gonna go to therapy this year. I'm gonna work on myself, and I'm gonna share everything with you guys. I know that's probably annoying, and I overshare all the time, but I don't think I care. I love sharing things, and I feel like it's great because a lot of you can relate to certain things that I go through or that I think. So we can all talk about things that we're going through, and maybe things that I go through are the same as you. We can talk about it. You have a place to talk about it. I'll have a place to talk about it. That was a really long way to say, hey, look at my new book. I talk so much. My hair is probably dry now. I'm gonna read for a little bit, do some emails, do some work on my computer. When my hair is dry, I'm gonna start shooting reels and content for the day. Wow, so much background noise. We have the washing dishes machine. Okay. Good morning, you guys. It is Sunday. I truly don't remember when I dropped off on this vlog. Can't remember what day it was, but we're picking it back up. I did a little drinking detox this weekend. Felt good, and I am ready to go and do my Sunday reset today. I did a quick little cleanup, washed my bedding, sent in some selects to Princess Polly because I'm gonna work with them again in February. And that's been my morning. I'm gonna finish the deep cleaning, and we have a lot to do today. Let's consult the to-do list. Gotta do my weekly reset cleaning, make my grocery list and the menu for the week. Need to do the planning for the week. I have schoolwork to do. Woo! I want to do my self-care routine, so showering, self-tanning, face masks, hair masks, that whole thing. If I have extra time, I have just a bunch of random little tasks to do that nobody really cares about. So the first thing that I'm going to do is actually, I got a package from Gymshark, and I want to show you guys the activewear that I just got from them. So let's sit down, do a haul for that, and then we'll get into the deep cleaning. I got a bunch of stuff from Gymshark that I want to show you guys. I'm pretty sure all of this is from the Whitney Simmons collab with Gymshark. I'm gonna do a quick activewear haul of everything that I just got from Gymshark. First set that I'm actually wearing is this sports bra and then these leggings. All I do is talk with my hands. The next piece that I got I'm so excited about because it is a dress, but it's a fitness dress, so love. It has a similar sports bra top style to the one that I'm wearing. It's the same material as all the workout sets, so it's a sporty little dress. I feel like you could go on your hot girl walk in this, you could play tennis in this. I want to get back into tennis. Tennis was so fun, and I feel like this would be a sporty little moment for tennis. You can run errands in this. It is just cute like that. The next set that I got is fuzzy and cozy. If you could feel this material through the screen, I wish you could, but just look at it. Does that not look like it feels great? I got these little furry biker shorts and then also the matching top to go with it. It's really just gonna level up a hot girl walk with this fuzzy little teddy bear set. And then I also did get the black version as well. The next three pieces that I got all match because they're black and they just fit together, so you could really mix, match, swap. I got these long leggings. They do the little cinching on the butt, which apparently everyone loves. I don't think I've ever owned the butt cinching leggings, and I'm really stoked to try them because these are really good quality. It has pockets on both sides. They really thought this one through. And then to match it, I also got this crop top, just a little tee crop top. It's in the same material. Again, you could wear it to Pilates, to yoga, whatever floats your boat, you could put that with it. So, and then I also got the same sports bra that I'm wearing, but just in black to match those leggings. I just have the same set in two different colors because when something's good, you have to just milk it. You know what I'm saying? The last thing that I got from the Whitney Simmons collection with Gymshark is actually a sweater. And I thought this would be cozy to put on if it's chilly going on a hot girl walk. I don't know, the theme of this haul is hot girl walk for me. Those are all the pieces that I got from the Whitney Simmons collection with Gymshark. If you guys want to check out any of these pieces, I will have them all linked in the description box below. But thank you to Gymshark for sponsoring this part of today's video. Let's have a chat, babes, with the lighting everywhere. Noon is not that bitch. I wanted to sit down and chat for a good quick 5 seconds. We'll see how long this actually is. I wanted to mention my Sims videos, the whole thing with that. No, I'll wait. Yeah, no, that's cool. Atticus has been limping lately. He has a little limp on his back leg, and I'm like, are you being dramatic, or like, is something actually wrong? He always has so much energy towards everything, but he like limps in the house, and I'm like, is there a real problem here, or are you like simple and this is just a thing that you're a little bit? I came on here to talk about Sims. I've been talking about my Sims videos for a minute now, and them coming back. I linked in a previous video my new gaming channel, which is where the Sims videos are gonna go. But I've been torn between, I don't want the first video on that channel to be like a part 11, because I feel like if that's gonna be an actual gaming channel for me and I want to be like a simmer, I want to actually not just do Sims as like a fluke and just do one let's play and call it a day. I want to actually have that gaming channel because I want to add gaming YouTuber to my resume, you know what I'm saying? Like my little repertoire of things I do. I want to create different let's plays. I want to upload on a separate gaming channel for this. So the whole thing is, I was so torn because I didn't want to upload a part 11 as a first video on a channel, because in terms of traction, I feel like people that don't know me from this channel would be like, what? Because I do have a playlist on that channel of the videos from this channel. I feel like metadata wise, did I just make that up? I'm pretty sure that's correct. Anyway, I feel like that's just not good in terms of the back end shit. I didn't want to make a new series because I love the couple that I'm playing with. So what I think I'm gonna do is make all the videos that are on this channel the backstory of the couple. And then the first video on that channel will be the first episode. So what was on my channel was the prequel. And then on the new channel, episode 1, they're buying their house, they're, you know, the whole thing. Because that's where we left off on the last part on my channel, them about to buy a house. So I'm thinking we plop them back into the apartment because that real estate mod now allows you to buy real estate while still in an apartment. I'm thinking we plop them back in there and then we tell the story of them buying their first house, and just all that shit before was backstory. Do we like that idea? If you like that idea, be vocal in the comments. Let's talk about it, because I want to have a nice full let's play and a full playlist, not a broken up one between 2 channels. I want it full and on that channel. So, and then when I make another let's play or another season to that, just continue the playlist and everything will be on that channel. It is the most logical idea for me to do a part 1 on that channel, but not have to start a new let's play. That's what I'm gonna do with Sims, and I will link the gaming channel down below again. I'm going to upload Sims videos on Tuesdays on that gaming channel, and I'm not particularly sure the week that I'm gonna start it again because of the updates with the game, and I know one came out today. My game is on offline mode, so I don't know how big it is, how much it's gonna break the game. So when I get the whole game updated and everything's good, we'll start that series. I'm thinking in like 2 weeks max. So that's what I'm gonna do with Sims, and it'll be on the gaming channel. I will link it below. Here's also a screenshot of the channel so you know what it looks like. I love playing The Sims so much. I love watching people play The Sims so much. It's like my comfort videos. So I want to do that. I'm going to actually upload on that gaming channel and make it dedicated for Sims videos. If I do other gaming videos, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But for now, it's just Sims. I can't wait to make Let's Plays and continue this one. If you haven't seen the prequel to the current Let's Play that I'm doing, I will leave that playlist down below so you can watch those videos before I upload the first video on the gaming channel. That was my Sims update. This vlog was so PC and just not my favorite because I didn't vlog as much as I wanted to. It has been a rough couple of weeks in terms of productivity for me. I don't know. This vlog is just what it is, and better ones will come. Vlogs to come will be more full of stuff, less PC, less stuff. There will be more meat to it, but I just want to apologize because I didn't like this one and I thought I would tell you that I didn't. In case you didn't and you thought I liked it, I don't. I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you're excited for the Sims videos, but I will see you in my next video. Bye.